Hello and welcome to Motor Match Stockport. My name's Daniel and I'm pleased to present you with this beautiful Mercedes-Benz C Class 2.1 litre C220 CDI AMG Sport 7G-Tronic Plus 2-door. Now this vehicle has currently run 79,621 miles and it's had two previous owners from new. It's finished in the colour Mars Red, and if you'd like more information please give us a call on 0161 885 0358. And take a look at the front there. You do have your bi-xenon headlights with the LED daytime running lights there below, which complement the vehicle all throughout the day. Here to the side you have your 18-inch AMG alloy wheels there, your indicator integrated into the door mirror. Now let's go ahead and take a look inside to the rear of the vehicle. Here inside at the rear now you will find your two rear seats, finishing a nice partial leather with the nice suede Alcantara effect in the centre of them. Both of the seats have ISOFIX points, so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. And overall you do have a very nice amount of space here for rear passengers to travel comfortably. Two cup holders that are hidden there in the compartment and a storage tray. You also have your rear air conditioning vents, so rear passengers can benefit from the air conditioning and travel comfortably. Super easy to gain access to those rear seats with both front seats folding forward. Now here to the rear of the vehicle you have your C220 CDI badging on the tailgate. Let's go ahead and open up the boot here. You can see you do have a very nice amount of boot space there. You can fit multiple suitcases in there when heading away. Very nice, great vehicle to drive when heading to new places as well. Some net storage there to the left and some additional storage underneath your boot floor. You also have the hooks up top there so you can hang things up like you're shopping, so it doesn't go all over the boot while you're driving home. Up top you will find your handle, allowing you to easily close the tailgate. Moving around now, let's go ahead and take a look inside here up front. Now you do have your leather multifunction steering wheel there with a nice metal finish on it as well. You also have a metal finish across the dashboard, into the centre console and onto the doors as well. Your front sport seats here, you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable in this vehicle. You do have some partial electric adjustments, so you can adjust the height very easily. Now that we've had a look around, I'm now going to take you inside and show you some of the key features that this Mercedes-Benz has to offer. So hopping in and starting on the driver's door. Up top here you do have your door locks, and below here you do have your electric mirror adjustments that include folding. Now with the folding you can quickly fold the mirrors in and keep them nice and protected. Super handy for example when parking on narrow roads, as you can prevent them from being knocked off by other road users, as they do tuck nice and tightly into the vehicle. You have your front electric window switches there as well. Moving on, and on the dashboard here you will find your automatic headlight switch. So when set to auto you don't have to worry about turning them on. They will turn on when necessary, allowing you to keep focused on the road and not lose concentration. Moving on to the right of the steering wheel here you have your volume controls for the infotainment system. You can answer and end of phone calls on there. You also have paddle shifts behind the steering wheel for manual gear changes from the automatic gearbox. On the left of the steering wheel you have the controls for the display here that's surrounded by your speedometer. You can display all different information on here. You even have your attention assist, which will alert you when to take a break on those longer journeys when the vehicle detects that you're starting to lose concentration, so that then you can go back to driving feeling more refreshed and ready to concentrate on the road again. You can see things on there like your audio, phone and navigation. Your indicator stalk there, and at the end of it you also have your wiper controls. The rain sensing wipers, which will automatically change speed depending on how heavy the rain is. Below here as well you do have your cruise control, which is ideal for those longer journeys. It means you don't have to keep your foot held on the accelerator the whole time, and it does allow you to arrive to your destination with a bit more comfort and less strain in your foot. You also have a speed limiter you can set up with this, where the vehicle won't allow you to accelerate over a certain speed, making it much more easier to maintain a specific speed you wish to. Now here at the top of the dashboard you will find your infotainment screen. On it you can access different features. You do have your FM, AM and DAB radio. You can alternate between the different bandwidths. It's very easy to tune in your favourite stations in the vehicle as well. You can scroll through all these stations available to you here, making it much more easier. Then you can go on to save them as presets, so you can access all your favourite stations very easily rather than scrolling through the list every single time. Alternatively, you can connect your own source of audio. There's a CD player, USB connectivity and Bluetooth audio as well. Of course, with your Bluetooth, you can safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go, allowing you to keep up to date with whoever you need to and ensuring you don't miss any important phone calls while driving. It's super easy to pair your device up with the vehicle. You can either use this system to find your device or find the system from your phone. You have some system settings here as well you can access. Different settings such as the display, the language of the system. Now below here you will find your controls for the infotainment system. You have shortcut buttons there. It's mainly controlled using the spinning dials and buttons here in the centre though. You can access the different menus there. Below here as well you do have your eco button. You also have your parking sensors front and rear. You can turn them on and off there. These will give you more guidance on how close you are to objects. Below here you do have your dual zone climate control that does allow the driver and passenger to make their own preferred temperature choices. Just prevent any arguments on being too hot or too cold here up front. It's super straightforward to use overall with the nice display there, giving you information on the climate control. Here in the centre you have two cup holders. You also have this armrest. You can open it up to reveal some storage and your USB port as well. Thanks for watching this video on the Mercedes-Benz C Class 2.1 C220 CDI AMG Sport 7G-Tronic Plus 2-door. This vehicle is part of the Motor Match promise that includes a minimum 30-day or 1,000-mile warranty, whichever is sooner. You do have RAC extended warranty of up to 3 years available, along with flexible finance packages available as well. All Motor Match vehicles are subject to a £150 admin fee, which covers the provenance check. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358.